The rapid development of the time has resulted in many human activities to meet daily needs. Human activities, especially in household and industrial activities, can cause water pollution. Water pollution can be found by the abundance of harmful metals, microorganisms, and organic substances that will have an impact on the environment and health. Hazardous metals in waste include cadmium or CD, and lead or Pb metals. If the water contains high level of this metal, it will have an impact on human health, such as disease disorders, such as system disorders, impaired kidney, brain and skin function. Excess organic substance and microorganisms result in reduced oxygen in the water, because oxygen will work to break down organic substance, and microorganisms are commonly known as increase in chemical oxygen demand or COD and biochemical oxygen demand or BOD. Reduced oxygen level in the water will disrupt aquatic life and ecosystem in the water. Therefore, waste treatment is needed to reduce level of metal, chemical oxygen demand or COD, and biochemical oxygen demand or BOD. In this innovation, the adsorbent used from water hyacinth as a bicarbonate to reduce high level of hazardous metal, chemical oxygen demand or COD, and biochemical oxygen demand or BOD. Making water hyacinth bicarbonate is by drying the water hyacinth stalk under the sun, and then the carbonization process is carried at a temperature of 400 Celsius. Then, from the result of carbonization, the charcoal from it is purified and dried. The final stage is the process of sieving charcoal and activation using zinc chloride 30% for 20 hours. From the result, it can be seen that water hyacinth bicarbonate can reduce level of lead or Pb, cadmium or CD, biochemical oxygen demand or BOD, and chemical oxygen demand or COD by more than 90%. So then the liquid waste that is formed is put into a chamber that already contains water hyacinth bicarbonate. Then homogenization is carried in the chamber for 10 till 50 minutes. The result of the homogenization are then carried by centrifugation which product sediment where they are sealed by carbon content, and the treated wastewater which can be directly flow into the environment safely. The precipitate obtained is retreated with a vacuum cleaner so that the remaining bicarbonate can be used again in the wastewater treatment process. So with this innovation, wastewater that still contains hazardous substance in the environment can be reduced properly through relatively simple, affordable, and environmentally friendly treatments.